What is going on, guys? Good afternoon. We are here 1.5 hours later to our final destination for today's video, the local Turkey Hill gas station. No, I'm just kidding. We are actually out here, Reading, PA, to see our man Josh and Aaron again from Dirty Diesels. You guys have been hearing me talk about we're going to be changing the tires up. If you follow my Instagram, you guys know I polled you guys whether you would like to see 420s or Terra Grapplers back on the truck in that smaller size that we decided to go to. So I'm not going to tell you. I'll tell you the Instagram was like 75-25 on the 420s. Now what we ended up getting, I don't really know. We don't even know if I have the gears or the forces in the bed of this truck. So it's going to be a little bit of a change up, and you guys will just have to wait and see exactly what we ended up choosing and what's going to go back on the truck. I can guarantee you one thing. If you're not a big fan of what we end up getting, there's going to be so many burnouts coming that the tires are going to have to be changed probably in no time at all. So have no fear. If you're not a fan, we like to change it up here, so have no fear. We had to stop at Turkey Hill because Josh and Aaron, they were like, we love candy. So I'm like, all right. So we got them candy. We got them candy. We're gonna head up the street here, and I'll show you guys exactly what we ended up with. But first, I did mention that Wrenchworks was gonna be coming out with a limited edition T-shirt for Motorama. It's also gonna be online. We're gonna have it live Friday. I have it here. We just got them in. It is like a Hunter Army green, really cool color. Love this color with a little bit of a different logo with the nut in the background. A little bit. This is a sweet shirt. So this is going to be going up Friday along. I might as well just show them to you now. I've had these forever. I was waiting for Motorama, but everybody's got them. But mine are different. Mine are a little different. They have a little bit more detail in the top here, but they are. I can't. Which way are you guys going to be reading this? Right here. That way. Wrenchworks key tags. These are also going to be online with a couple other things, just small things that I'm going to have out at Motorama that'll be on live. So make sure you stay tuned. Friday, wrenchworks.com. If you guys follow the Wrenchworks Instagram page, my page, you'll know all this stuff and when it's live. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, that's the gist of it. I think that's all I got for you guys right now. Alrighty, let's go see what they're up to. Hey, buddy. Well, I was told by Josh that I wasn't allowed to come here unless I brought Mike and Ike's and Skittles.
You definitely right. The Skittles are for me.
What are you doing?
Important stuff.
Important things? Getting it ready for Motorama?
Tightening these headlights so they don't fall out.
Oh, that you might not want to have them fall out. Well, you're not actually driving it there, right?
I drove it here though. One of the nuts fell off. Should tighten that up.
What happened to your wheels?
What do you mean?
Where'd your nice wheels go?
This kind of polished.
Are these are the new Motorama specials? You're gonna leave them right on.
Not even mine.
Oh man, even better. All right.
Like new mirrors.
What did you do? Now you put new Chevy ones on.
Yeah.
You just love these. You just can't get away from the Chevy mirrors on the Ford, can you?
Even the mess. See everything.
Did the blinkers work?
Nah, I just put them on today.
Just to put them on today.
Show, you know?
I gotcha. What did Josh say? You changed up the back window too?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, solid back window. Josh. 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 Look at that. They are bringing everything to Motorama. Holy smokes. What is that?
It's an ammo cannon, dog.
Dang. Lethal weapon.
No, non-lethal rounds.
All right, where are these Larrys at? Oh, there they are. Oh man. All right, guys, here they are. We went with the NATO 420s. Honestly, when I was choosing between the Terra Grapplers and the 420s, I couldn't decide, and I had to make a decision quick. I literally flipped a coin. It landed on 420s. Like I said, the first gen is just a two-wheel drive little street truck. It's just a little street princess. There's no all-terrain to it. So these will work. These will do plenty good burnouts. I can guarantee you that. So we did go with the 420s in a, let me see what size we got here. 285 40/20, which measures like a little bit below a 30-inch tall, 11 wide on a 20-inch wheel. Now, I guess the next question is, do we have the gears in the back of the truck or the forces? That's the next question. Hey, Josh. How are those Mike and Ike's?
Delicious.
I came through. The
candy, yeah.
You should come over more often.
Yeah, it's right around the corner, so I mean, I don't see why not.
I can come for the candy.
All right, Josh, run us down. Run us down what this beast is.
Chewing these Mike knives.
No, you don't want to do that.
Why'd you get a bag of steel so big? You can't eat these. Oh.
Well, yeah, I figured you needed a little more energy. So what all did you guys do to this thing?
So this thing got a 4-inch Wicked Customs lift, set of PMF bolt-on traction bars, some Fox reservoir shocks, new tires, just waiting on new wheels for it. Just a couple other little suspension goodies.
So what all does that kit include? Just new springs and shocks? I mean,
Yeah,
what?
so the Wicked kit, this is a custom supplied kit. It just used a 4-inch coil spacer in the front, radius arm drops, track bar.
Those are the factory coils?
Yeah, factory coils.
Factory coils with just a 4-inch puck?
4-inch spacer, yeah.
Wow, that's, okay, all right. All right, hey, to each
brake line
his own.
brackets, track bar bracket, radius arm brackets down there.
Oh, okay, so it's literally just kind of like a drop-down kind
Yeah,
of...
it's a pretty basic kit.
Drop bracket kit.
That's like that. Yeah. He nailed it right on the head.
It normally uses shock extensions, but we did some cool Fox 2.0s with the reservoir.
Okay.
Which we're waiting on billet mounts for. So
Okay,
like that.
it's gonna sit like that, huh?
Yep.
I do like the fact that even the new 4th gen's kind of like the shock is no longer in the coil.
Yeah.
It makes it much easier to deal with and everything.
Much nicer looking too.
This thing's gonna look tough though.
It's a nice truck, yeah.
It is a nice truck.
It'll be on some 24s.
24s?
Yeah.
It's a 17 with 50,000 miles on it though already, huh?
Yeah, something like that.
He uses it.
The inside is so nice.
It's got a lot of miles.
Man, look at that. And those are factory steps, right?
42,000 miles.
I've honestly never even seen inside of a Platinum Ford before. Wow.
They're nice.
That is nice. Wow. You're just saying that, Aaron. You're just biased.
No, this is way nicer than any of your
No, I
Ram.
mean like, I like that better than the black.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the color.
Oh, the color. Oh, okay.
I can care less about everything else.
So, are you going to put spacers on the back here for the
Yeah,
back
we're-
to space out the...
Yeah, we're waiting on spacers.
what are these, 35s?
Yep.
It'll look tough. It'll look tough. Sweet. Awesome.
It's just temporary until he gets his big wheels.
Oh,
I
okay.
think it's getting some 37.
37s.
Big boy tires. No, you can do it with the clicker.
You can do it with the fob too? I was over there saying, I'm like, oh, that's cool how the Dodge is able to, the new Dodge they're advertising, but the Fords already actually do it.
Ford did it 2 years before Dodge.
Well, you know what? I'm not even going to try and defend Dodge on that. I'm going to say that Ford usually...
How cool is that?
That is cool. You know why it's cool? Because, I mean, practicality, like, you're probably thinking, I'm like, all right, you're just a lazy ass. You don't want to drop that. But if you're in the truck backing a trailer up yourself, I mean, I think that's the coolest.
That could be sick.
That's what I mean. It's a one-person fold-up, fold-down thing.
Awesome. It just needs to go power up.
Power up. All right, now we're getting... Oh, wait. Oh, it doesn't... Oh, right. So it is... You still do have to get out of the truck, too.
Push it up.
Okay, so you can only be lazy half of the way.
Yeah, you have to like actually manually push it up, sadly.
Oh, man. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, we need the new Dodge 2500s to come out. Alrighty, what wheels are in here? Who knows? We have the Forces. I think you guys, once we get the tires swapped on here and I clean up the wheels, I do think you guys are gonna like them. I think they're gonna look awesome. Huh?
Sold these wheels.
Are you sure?
Yeah, for Andy's truck.
Oh, for Andy's truck.
Yeah, these wheels.
Oh, they were.
Yeah.
They were from you. Look at these. and hopefully we don't have too much fun and we don't need all of these. I don't know. That's really not that bad. I think that might set pretty okay. Bags. We're just gonna throw bags in here. Now the most important things when you're doing bags to balance your tires, number one key thing, what is it? Remembering to put them in.
Oh yeah. always.
I don't know how many times exactly.
Like a lot of times.
Yeah, exactly. Like, oh, let's re-brake the bead because we forgot to put the bags in. Yep.
So,
yeah.
It's not like the wide wheels. You don't have to like pull the tire off. You can just like push.
You can sneak it in.
Yeah.
Cummins. We'll get you every time.
Yeah. So besides the wash, no, I'll wash them later. They need a good scrubbing. All right, let's roll it out here. We can't even see anything out here.
That's so much better.
It's gonna roll away.
All right, there it is. New look for the first gen.
All the tire gives.
You can't see the lip of the wheel quite straight on. Obviously, they are a little stretched, about a half-inch stretch on each side. But again, if this was a four-wheel drive truck that actually needed to be used as a truck, these would not be going on. But the fact that it is a two-wheel drive play truck that is going to be a burnout monster, kind of like what we got over here, that's what these are for.
Wow, these are pretty small, Greg.
Yeah, they're kind of small. They're kind of small.
305s on the white truck.
We'll have to throw them on. I'm not saying that these are the most permanent thing, but we needed some new tires, and here we go. I think they're going to look good. I know some people will hate them, but again, don't worry. We always got the gears. We could go back to something different. I like to change it up. Don't be too worried, guys. 3 more to go. Alrighty, here we are. We're loaded down. We got them all in, locked down, loaded to go. We're out of here. Bye, bye, bye. Love you. Bye. Enjoy your candy. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. All right, guys. You know the deal. If you guys need wheels, tires, anything awesome like this done that nobody else will do, you need to come down here. Right outside of Reading, Dirty Diesels. They got you covered. They got you covered. Josh, Aaron.
See ya.
Be at Motorama. I'll see you guys this weekend. If you guys aren't coming out to Motorama, clear your schedule, come out. These are gonna look good on the first gen. I can't wait. We're going right back to the shop. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys, currently 9 o'clock, back at the shop. We've been here for a little while. We have been cleaning the wheels and tires. If you guys noticed, the brake dust on those things was terrible. I have a little flashlight. We just got finished putting in all the trim, got the headliner completely situated. I know last time I showed you, it's like, I'm like, oh, it's dark. I know, I read the comments. Oh, imagine that, we have a flashlight. So let me get this going. We actually put black trim. Let me get this in here. We actually put black trim. You can see there's a crack there. You know, some of this stuff is just kind of cracked and beat up a little bit. But we got black hardware everywhere here. Let me just see here. Of course, this flashlight's going dead. But you can kind of get a better look in there now of everything. All of this stuff, I put black trim and all of that. Just needs a good wipe down. But the headliner looks awesome. You can kind of see it kind of comes into focus. The suede definitely needs to be all suede one way. But the interior is now 110% done. Now, all we got to do is swap some wheels and tires, and we are good to go. Here's a little bit better up close and personal look now that they are washed. I washed the back sides before we put them on because they were terrible. So much better. Lip is completely protected of the wheel. Got that bead protector on these, and we are good to go. I have actually got to be up insanely early tomorrow for work, so I'm hoping that we get this done, call this a night. We still have loading and packing to do tomorrow to leave. Someone's calling me. We have to leave by Friday morning. So really we only have tonight, and then tomorrow might be a little bit of a shorter night. So who is calling me? Josh. Mr. Josh from Dirty Diesels. Hello. Yo. I am currently telling YouTube that I'm going to put them on right now. Yeah, way. Hey, I know this sounds kind of a certain way, but the lube that you have is awesome. It doesn't stick to the tire. You can literally spray it off with water. It's awesome. Usually that stuff stays on there forever. Yeah, that is awesome. Alrighty guys, I have to apologize about the randomness and the jumpiness all over the place. My phone keeps ringing, it keeps getting later. It's 10:30 now. We have the wheels and tires on the first gen. They are finally done. All we gotta do tomorrow before we leave, load up, and get ready to go to Motorama is torque the lug nuts down. That's it. So we're gonna make a big sticky note, make sure we torque those down before we load that up. But one last thing I forgot to mention, there is gonna be a mini giveaway associated with those t-shirts, those new t-shirts. If you guys purchase one of those either at Motorama or online, you guys are automatically entered. At Motorama, we're gonna have you sign, get your name, get your information, but you are automatically gonna get entered to win this Snap-on extension set, brand new, never used. So if you guys purchase one of those, we're gonna give away that to one random person. I might try and find something else to give away. So we have 2 winners for those shirts. So automatically entered online. Make sure you guys give us your information at Motorama when you come by. If you wanna come pick up anything, that'll automatically get you entered into that. So anyway, let's get to looking at the first gen. What do we think here? This thing is low. This thing is low, and it looks like all it wants to do is just eat tires now, which that's exactly what it's gonna do. So here is just a quick peek here. We're gonna get it outside. I don't know if you guys can hear the audio here, but it is pouring rain outside. Otherwise, I'd probably drive it home, but it's getting late. We need to get home. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. As always, make sure you guys are giving this video a big thumbs up. If you would, I would appreciate it. But that's what she looks like. Let's go over. Let's get one more angle. There we go. Tires need a little air. Other than that, we're ready to roll. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll see you guys this weekend. We'll see you soon. See ya.